tacos, burritos, frijoles.
Can't be beat. We're a long, 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 long way from Sesame Street.
Gonna see the desert flowers.
Gonna work for hours and hours
with happy people like you.
happy people like you.
Happy people like goodbye care.
Hurry, we're almost there.
Smell that air. Come on, just 10 more feet. We're a long, 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 long way from Sesame Street. Long way from Sesame Street. Long way from Sesame Street.
Well, howdy doody there, buckaroos. It's your old sidekick, Buffalo Bird, the rootinest, tootinest cowbird west of the Harlem. Yee-haw, yes, sir. I just got out this old buckboard here, 'cause I'm gonna mosey on down to the old lariat and corral myself a bulldog. I'll round up a herd of them critters 'fore it's time to hitch up to the old chuck wagon and put on the feed bag. Why, when it comes to riding, roping, or ranching, you gotta go up per piece to out-buffalo Buffalo Bird. Well, partners, you all ready? Okay, let's stop all this jawing and hit leather. Henry, Jerry, giddy up there. Yeah, yeah. I knew I forgot something.
Okay, Grandma. Why don't you milk this one here, and I'll go into the shed and milk the other one, okay? Okay. Real good. Hey, Gordon.
How you doing, Luis?
How you doing?
Okay, what's happening, man? What's going on?
Hey, Grandma was milking a cow.
Oh, yeah? Milking a cow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, did you ever milk a cow before?
No, man, never.
Oh, that's right. You're one of the city dudes,
Are
aren't you?
you kidding, man? I never even saw a cow till we got a television.
Hey, man, but it's time you learn.
Well,
Would you like to learn?
Well, no. I think I'll wait a little while.
Come on. You're not afraid of a cow, are
Well,
you?
no, it's not that I'm afraid. It's just that, well, I never met a cow, you know?
Well, come on over, man. I'll introduce you. Okay, Gordon. Now, this is a cow.
Hi, cow.
All right.
How you doing? We're friends, right?
Nice cow, huh?
Beautiful.
Oh, she's a nice one.
Ooh.
And back here is where the milk comes from. Right back here, see?
Oh, really? Hey, I always thought it came out of cartons, you know?
You always thought it came out of cartons.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I was just joking.
Yeah.
I know it comes from.
Hey, listen. Why don't you watch Grandma, and maybe you can learn something. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Now watch. Hey, Grandma, why don't you show them how it's done, okay? Easy, ain't it?
Ah, is that all there is?
That's all there is to it, man.
Hey, look at it.
Boy, she was ready to be milked.
Yeah. It looks easy.
Terrific. Want to give it a try?
Well, I don't know. Will it hurt?
No, I won't hurt the cow.
Not the cow, me.
Come on, sit down. Grandma, let's let him try it. Come on, give it a try.
Well, okay, I'll try it, you know.
Oh. That's it.
Okay, now,
sit right there.
Yeah,
Grab hold of them udders.
grab hold of the udders.
That's it.
Just
Squeeze away. Hey.
Hey. It's not bad.
Hey, Gordon, you're really good at it, man. Look at that.
Hey, that is easy, isn't it? Hey, wow. Hey, thanks, man. You know, I never thought I'd ever learn how to milk a cow.
Well, you never know until you try.
Yeah. Hey, Maria.
Hi, Maria.
Oh. What you doing, Gordon?
Oh, writing Susan a postcard. Boy, I sure miss her.
Yeah. I really miss David, too.
Hey, speaking of missing people, boy, do I miss my best friend, Mr. Snuffleupagus.
Oh, come on, Big Bird. You can't miss Snuffleupagus. He's an imaginary friend. Say, Maria, why don't you walk me to the post office, huh? I'll mail this stuff.
Okay.
should I miss my imaginary friend? Why care when he was never there? Why should I miss my imaginary friend? Oh dear, when he was never here. Why should I miss my imaginary friend? Why grieve? He's only make-believe. Why should I miss my imaginary friend? Why feel for someone who's not real? But golly gee, Mr. Snuffleupagus, imaginary or not, to me, Mr. Snuffleupagus, you're the very best friend I've got. Why should I miss my imaginary friend? Why faint when he's someone who ain't? I shouldn't miss my imaginary friend. It's true. So I be blue. I wish I knew. And even though you can't miss an imaginary friend, I do. Oh, Snuffle, I miss you. I don't care if you were never there. I just wish that you were here.
Hello.
I have a collect call from a Big Bird in New Mexico from Mr. Duper.
Hooper.
Will you accept the charges?
Yes, that's me. Yes, all right.
Deposit 80 cents for 3 minutes, please.
80 cents. Okay. 25, 50, 75, 80.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Big Bird.
Hey, you knew it was me, huh?
Yep.
Hey, Mr. Looper?
Hooper.
Hooper? How's everybody up there?
Fine. How's everybody where you are?
Oh, everybody just loves New Mexico. It's great.
Good. Lovely. Yes?
I want to talk to somebody up there that might be there.
All right. Who?
Have you seen my friend Mr. Snuffleupagus around?
Big Bird, you called all the ways from New Mexico to talk to your imaginary friend Snuffleupagus?
Oh, well, yeah, but he's not imaginary. He's real. Have you seen him around anywhere?
No.
Well, would you mind looking over at my nest? He's usually there about this time of the day.
Big Bird, you know there's no such thing as Snuffleupagus.
Oh, he is real, and I want to talk to him. Well, I miss him a lot, you know.
Oh, Big Bird, now look, I'm a very busy man, and I got no time to look for some imaginary friend of yours.
Well, I know, but it would only take a minute to go look for him at the
Big Bird,
nest.
please.
Oh, I miss him so much.
All right. Oh, okay, Big Bird.
You
All
will?
right.
Please deposit 45 cents for 3 more minutes.
It's coming, operator, it's coming. 25, 35, 45. All right, now, Big Bird, I'll look, but I'm not.
You will?
I'm not promising anything.
Oh, good. Oh, boy. I hope he finds him.
I don't know what's happening. You know, this Snuffleupagus. I went and doing.
What's that? It sounds like...
Oh, dear. Look at that. Someone left the telephone off the hook and Mr. Hooper's not here.
Hey!
I'd better hang it up.
Hey! That sounds like Mr. Snuffleupagus. Is that you, Mr. Snuffleupagus?
Oh, Bird? Where are you, Bird?
I'm here. I'm talking on the telephone. I'm in New Mexico.
Oh, Bird. It's so nice to hear your voice. Oh, are you having a good time?
Oh, yeah. Oh, having a great time. Except I sure miss you, old furry buddy.
Oh, I miss you too, Bird. I try to guess what you're doing.
Well,
What are you doing, Bird?
I'm talking on the telephone. And, oh, yeah, well, actually, here in New Mexico, you mean? Well, we're riding horses and everything. Wow, it's exciting.
Oh, that sounds like fun, Bird.
I wish you were here. I really miss you.
Oh, well, Bird, I miss you too. But I have to take my nap now, so bye-bye.
Bye. It was sure great to talk to you. I always love the music he makes when he walks along. Wow, that was great. I feel better already.
Hello, Big Bird. Are you still there?
Oh, Mr. Cooper.
Hooper. Big Bird, let me explain something. I tried very much to find your,
Yeah, and I want to thank you, too, for trying so hard. It was so nice to talk to my friend. Mr. Snuffleupagus made me feel so much better. Thanks a lot, Mr. Looper. I feel
Hooper,
great now, thanks to you. Bye.
Big Bird. I don't know.
Oye, están ricos, pero qué calientes están.
Those peppers are really hot, aren't they? They're hotter.
You're telling me?
You know these tacos are really good? My grandmother makes the best tacos and the best burritos in the whole neighborhood.
She sure does, but they're so hot. Vámonos para allá.
You want some tacos?
Hey, Oscar.
Hey, what you doing there?
Oh, we're having some of this fine food. Eating some hot peppers, you know?
Hot peppers?
Yeah, good stuff.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, I'll try one of them.
Oscar, I don't think you'd like them. They're very, very hot.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, I'm gonna try one.
Oscar, they'll burn your mouth, man. They'll sting your tongue. Your eyes will water. You can't eat that.
Oh, come on, let me be the judge of that. I'll have one.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah.
There's one right there.
All right. They look okay to me. You think it's hot, huh?
Yeah, it's very hot.
Things like this don't bother Grouches.
Oh, they don't, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty hot, huh?
Hot, right,
I
Oscar?
told you, man.
I told you they were hot.
Those aren't hot. Why, I eat hotter things than that all the time.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Your mouth doesn't burn, huh? Your eyes not watery?
No.
Well, then you wouldn't mind having another one, then.
Oh, sure, but you better eat them. They're for you.
Oh, no, Oscar. If you like them, you can have them all. Here.
Well?
You do like them, don't you?
Oh, sure.
Well, go ahead.
Yeah, watch this.
It's hot, isn't it?
It's hot, isn't it,
It's
Oscar?
hot, right?
No, it's not hot. It is not hot. Doesn't bother me a bit.
Well, here you go, Oscar. Have a third one.
Oh.
Well, I know how much you like them, yeah.
Well, all right.
3 chili peppers.
3 of them.
Well, that was about it, huh? You ran out of them.
No, we have plenty. Here, 4. Have another one.
We got a whole bunch here.
4 chili peppers.
How's it feel now, huh?
Fine. Those aren't even hot.
No, well, here, have 5. Have 5 of them, here.
He's in trouble now.
Good, huh?
Oh,
here,
yeah.
6.
6, huh?
6 chiles.
Wow.
7.
Good. 7, yeah. Wow, well, I think
Here's one more, 8.
8, huh? Well...
Okay, Oscar, now admit they're hot, right? Aren't they? Huh?
Hot?
They're really hot stuff, aren't they?
Not a bit. Why, I've never felt better in my whole life. Well, if you excuse me now, I think I have to finish breaking the breakfast dishes. Yow!
Man, is he in trouble. special place hasn't changed a day. It looks the same as when I went away. My special place calling me to play. Come be a child again, it seems to say. Here I would think of private games, or count the clouds and give them names. My special place meant for me alone. Oh, how I've missed you now that I have grown. I'd sit and read, I'd run and play, or dream a lazy day away. My special place, this will always be, and when I go, it stays a part of me. My special place, my special place, my special place is always part of me.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters F and M, and by the number 8. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.